This is our Library of Congress site where we get Library of Congress identifiers for our books. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So I'll give you this login information, and we have to change this like once every 3 or 4 months. So I'll just log in and then I will show you how we do this. So this brings you in, and what we want is to request a Library of Congress control number. So we're going to do that, and then we'll just continue there. And then what we're going to do is we'll need the ISBN. So this is another thing. I will share this document with you, and this is our this is our own little archive of ISBNs. So you can see what I do here. I've got paperback and hardback when we have them, and ebooks separated out. We've got up here paperbacks, and then down here ebooks. I've assigned this ahead of time, and you just come in here and put these in. It's just put the titles in. That's it. It is important to check these to make sure that they're not used, even though chances are they're not. And you can do that by copying this and going to Amazon, typing it in, and it'll come back with nothing found. So here's Quiet Kids Count. It's paperback, and right now we have no Library of Congress number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this ISBN. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go back to the Library of Congress site. And then from here, we're just putting in information. So I'll go through these, and you can speed this up in the video because this is pretty basic. Will the forthcoming book be published in electronic format only? No. Will the book appear at periodic intervals? No. Will the book be intended for children? No. These will almost always be no unless we do a children's book. Approximate number of pages. This doesn't have to be real close. I'm going to say 220. That's a pretty good guess. It's probably high. English, yes. Projected month, we're actually going to have to, because I'm doing this, we should always do this a month in advance. I'm going to put October. And again, we'll still have September in the book, but that doesn't really matter for the Library of Congress. Is the client paying to publish? No. And then we're going to go next. The contributor is an individual. This I don't think is necessary, and I could get it off the contract, but we don't have it right now. Author. And we click Add Contributor, and there it is. We want to double check these spellings. This is where we're located, so always put this, not where you're located. I don't think we have to put this. It's if you give your series an ISBN. We don't have that. Add series. There it is. Consists of more than one physical volume? No. We're just going to do the paperback. And then I copied that ISBN, paste that in there. This is a paperback book. So we'll go back to ISBN numbers and get the assigned Quiet Kids Count ebook ISBN. We didn't used to have to do this, so you can make something up. If we have back cover content, I'll take the back cover content and put it in here. I don't have anything right now. I'm going to see if it'll let me do it without putting that in there. This is already populated, and you can leave this, and they'll just mail me this, and we can share this document and put these Library of Congress numbers in. I don't think we need anything here. So we'll see if it'll allow me to do this. I'm not sure. And this is one of those when you're telling me about orders to fulfill, send books to the author, send them to these contributors, just always say, make sure you send a book to the Library of Congress. And I'll get an email right away about this. It'll tell me that they've received this and that it's on the way. There it is. Your request has been put in. They'll email that number, and we just come back to here, and we put it up here. So this is LOC number, and we'll just pop that number right in there for our records.